Aniwow basket tutorial. Installing and removing trolley mode. Unfold the basket stand and clip it onto the bottom pins. Place the pet cushion inside and make sure the safety leash is properly positioned. For trolley mode, first unlock both wheel connectors, then fold the frame into a Z shape. Lower both the upper and lower seat posts all the way down. Brace against the rear wheel and turn the saddle to the side. Align the front rack mount tab with the basket's white line. Align the black clip on the frame with the white dot on the basket and make sure it clicks securely into place. The pet stroller mode is now ready. It can also be used as a shopping cart. To remove it, gently pull outward on the lever at the back of the basket. On the other side of the basket, pull the bottom ring to release the lock. Installing and removing riding mode. To install the basket while the bike is unfolded, first turn the handlebars sideways. Align the groove at the bottom of the basket with the front rack mount. Then push it in until it locks securely into place. Once unfolded, you're ready to ride with your bike basket. Turn the handlebars sideways again. Flip up the lever and pull the basket out to remove it.